Today we are going to talk about receiving the products. Receiving the products can happen via courier or directly from the brand. It's mandatory to fill up the inward Excel sheet as soon as you receive the products. The inward Excel sheet is can be found in your warehouse drive. It's named your city name inward sheet. The first part of the inward sheet is already filled by the brand coordinators. It has details like the PO number, the PO quantity, the shipment ID, etc. The second part of the sheet has to be filled by the warehouse. The second part of the sheet has been divided again into two parts. The first half has to be filled as soon as you receive the shipment. Uh, Columns like who has received the shipment, what is the quantity received, how many boxes are received, what are the invoice numbers received, what are the invoice quantity. Check if the quantity is higher than the PO quantity. We do not want to accept stocks above the PO quantity. In case you get stocks above the PO quantity, kindly call up the brand coordinators and get permission to accept the stock.